Badami is a small town in Bagalkote district situated in the northern part of Karnataka with a rich history of over 1500 years. Known for its stunning architecture, ancient temples, and strategic importance, Badami played a crucial role in the cultural, political, and religious developments of South India. It was originally called as Vatapi, which you may remember from the history books. Its significance grew during the period of Chalukya dynasty in the 6th century. It became the capital of Chalukya dynasty under King Pulakeshi I, who founded the dynasty and established the city as a political and cultural center. The Chalukya dynasty reached its peak under King Vikramaditya I. During his reign, Badami flourished, becoming a hub for art, architecture, and culture. Vikramaditya I was instrumental in promoting the development of rock cut temples, which you will witness in this video. There are four of these rock cut temples, which are unique in their own sense. Cave 1 is dedicated to Lord Shiva, Cave 2 is dedicated to Lord Vishnu, Cave 3 is dedicated to Mahavishnu, Cave 4 features sculptures of Jain Tirthankaras. The town's strategic location, nestled in the gorge between two rocky hills and near the Malaprabha River, made it an ideal location for the Chalukyas to establish their capital. The Chalukyas ruled a significant portion of South India, including present day Karnataka, Maharashtra, and Andhra Pradesh. Pulakeshi I and his successors expanded the Chalukya kingdom, making Badami a prosperous and important city in the region. After the death of Vikramaditya I, the Chalukya dynasty faced internal conflicts and external invasions. The Rashtrakutas overthrew the Chalukyas and took control of Badami. If you plan to visit Badami, you should also consider visiting Bhutnath Temple, Agastya Lake, and Badami Fort. There is also a museum if that interests you.
So this is everybody's just doing laundry at their own will.
Although I ran out of time and could not visit the Badami Fort, the rest of the places was really feast to the eyes.